I've taken.
Because I'm receiving.
The division officer is going to start with the financial and material assistance to the 10 startups from Domasf division. Donated members having access into the grandstand after the division officer will be here. Passing in front of the grandstand here, so the first school should be there. Youth with special needs, please, you take note because you are going to open the march pass here.
In the course of the year just ended by leveraging the National Development Strategy
to avoid so many challenges.
Any quantity of chicken that you need for any occasion, Rashe Kiki. The supply Misaji subdivision, local Mandum division, and Northwest region. So that is what she will be doing from now and henceforth. Yeah, the person in question could not be here because of the distance.
At the corner here, where their own items are being placed. The village, Pioneer Village, come in here, please. Everything. Pioneer Village, please. Hurry up.
After the occasion, elector. Give them mic. Since he's talking.
For a restaurant. Nako. Yes. Put it down now. Then this other one is Mungre. Arasius. It's potato.
Seed multiplication.
Seed multiplication. Potato seed multiplication.
Irish potato.
Irish potatoes. Yes.
This one is it's from US.
This is from New subdivision. The brand is from New subdivision. She is from India Gideon from Aqua subdivision. Solar system, Babbitt Studio. And we could not carry the panels to bring it because they could break on the way. So the panels are all in camera and other accessories. So. She's going to
Domasf, the brain behind being His Excellency Professor Fukalisius Gentry, who has donated these items to the youth of Domasf division. We have 2 from each subdivision. We have people here from Mwa, Ako, Kambe, Nu, and also here in the scholarship fund, His Excellency Professor Fukalisius Gentry. Is the brain behind Domasf, and many are benefiting like what we are